What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Crypto Buzz UK channel. I'd like to wish you the best from what is a beautiful and quite bright blue Sunday morning here in the UK. As usual, I cover the short-term price action, but the big moves is what I'm focused on. Clearly, the big moves here that literally just happened in Ethereum. It's not obviously confirmed just yet on the weekly, but it's definitely worth diving into. Before I get into the detail, if you do find this content valuable or interesting, please be so kind as to like this video, subscribe to the channel. From me, it will be hugely appreciated. So if I zoom straight into Ethereum here, this is the weekly chart. As you know from my previous videos, these are the Maya multiple 200 daily average deviation bands. So we've got 3 deviation bands at the top, 3 at the bottom. Now, on my yesterday's video, I'll pin it to this video, you will have noted that we went through and we compared previous price action going back into 2017 and 18 and the breakdown of Ethereum here. You can see that we found support on this trend line, upward rising trend line. We had another bounce from it. You can see that wick right there. And then obviously we then rallied all the way to the top of the top Maya multiple band here. In turn, huge sell-off spanning 8 to 10 weeks. We found support again at this trend line, a very important trend line at the time, clearly. And then we had a strong bounce. This was officially, if you like, the dead cat bounce of sort of springtime in 2018, after which we found initial support on the trend line, only to have fallen through it. We backtested it as resistance, as you can see in this wick just here. And the rest is history, really. We found resistance going into late 2018 against the blue Maya multiple band, and ultimately leading to our bottom. There's quite a lot of volume here, as you can see on the volume signature. But either way, the reason for this video is that Ethereum has just made a major move. It wasn't the case yesterday. We were literally sitting on the trend line, finding support on it, and officially we have, as I'll show you, we've just broke through here. So same old story. We originally found support on this trend line. You can see that's resistance. We found support. We found support again. Then we rallied all the way up to the top Maya multiple band, only to get rejected from that, find support again on the trend line. Rallied again, believe it or not, making another high late last year. And then we came back down to the trend line. We bounced on it. We bounced on it at least 6-7 times over the past 6-7 months, even going into last summer. And then obviously we had a final rally. I think this was the dead cat bounce, in many ways. Or this one, to be fair, but either way, we've just broken through the trend line. As I said, it's not confirmed just yet. It's clearly a major sign for us to take care in our trades, to give it the respect it deserves. Price action, that is. The reason why I say that is because I sense a lot of fear out there. There's clearly a lot of panic, and I'm sensing that there's a lot of how low can we go views or takes on the market. I think that pretty much covers where we are. I do think we go significantly lower. Like my previous video, I highlighted that we should really see price action. If I draw it out loosely, we should see price action drop considerably. I think we obviously get bounces along the way, but I also think that we ride our bands, our lower Maya multiple bands as resistance. I'll give you an idea of what I mean here. If I just change this to blue for ease of reference, I think these start curling down. I think this also starts curling down, just like as I mentioned on the previous video. We are curling down at the moment. I think it's pretty obvious. The flat area was here, and it also times when we have breached the trend line. We fell below it, not officially, obviously, but if I scroll back through time and look at where we were in respect of the Maya multiple bands at the time, I think it goes without saying that actually this was the flat area in the bands, and it was pretty much on around the time that we broke this trend line where we curling downwards. All right, so I hope that's a quick summary which you find useful. If you do, please like and subscribe. It goes well, obviously we all appreciate it here, and it's received well from us. So thank you so much, and I'll come back to you with an update, obviously on Ethereum, on our next video. Cheers, everybody. Bye.